Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Apple Watch Ultra not turning on. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Apple Watch Ultra here and it's not charging or turning on, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing. So first thing that you could try doing here is you may want to force restart your watch here, which in this case without using your charger. Now, if your watch won't turn on after charging, try force restarting it. Now, you want to press and hold the digital crown and the side button at the same time for about 30 seconds. Now, you want to keep holding this until you see the Apple logo appear. And in this case, after that, release the buttons and your watch should reboot normally and see if that actually helps. Now, next thing that you may want to try here is you may want to properly charge your device. Now, even if the screen is completely black and unresponsive, you want to place your Apple Watch on the charger for at least 30 minutes or more if you can. Now, sometimes the watch won't display anything immediately, but it might still be charging in the background, so just leave it alone and check back after half an hour or an hour. So, yeah. Other thing that you may want to do here is you want to check your charger as well. Now, in this case, your charger might be the issue itself, so test your charging cable and adapter by using them with another Apple device if you can, like AirPods or another Apple Watch. Now, if the other device charged fine, the problem is with your watch here. Now, just in case nothing actually works here, you can actually do a force restart with your charger. Now, if your Apple Watch is unresponsive, place it back into the charger and then press and hold the digital crown, this one, and the side button for about 40 seconds. Now, this extended force restart can help with the watch in this case if it's completely unresponsive. Now, after following these steps, your Apple Watch Ultra should turn back on. If none of these solutions work, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.